Binance login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can solve login problem on Binance. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, solving the login problem on Binance is very simple. Sometimes, let's say you're not being able to log into the Binance application over here. Could be due to a couple of reasons. The first thing is if you're not being able to log in, I don't want you to try from the same page over and over again. Especially if you're an Android user, you can just reset the application data by long pressing on it, going to the I button to come to the app info page, going to storage, clearing the cache files, and making sure to clear the data. Now, only once you have done that, I would recommend you open the Binance application and go on about logging in. Now, this also usually happens sometimes when your credentials are incorrect. So when you tap on already have an account and login button, when you enter your email or phone number, that might be the case. But then when you enter your password could actually be incorrect. So that could also be one of the reasons why. So easier way I would also recommend you is if you had previously linked your account with Google account or something like that, you can just select continue with Google option and you'll be able to log in successfully with your Google account on the Binance app. So if you happen to just in case forget your password, you can also tap the forgot password option to reset it. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.